Right, so we're having a look at the new Trantec wireless microphone system. This is the S4.04 and it supersedes the Trantec S4.4. So a couple of new features on this product is the fact that we've now changed the design of the handheld microphone. It also comes with 4 free intermodulation frequencies. And it covers registration-free operation, so that license-free channels that I'm talking about, and really easy to use. We have an infrared transmitter receiver built into the units, and you can basically sync the devices so that they can pair up. To the right of this, we have our new D5000, which is our digital wireless microphone system. Some of the key things on this unit is it has a built-in feedback suppression, as well as a microphone EQ for the different options available. So we have a handheld microphone system. We also have a new body pack with either the option for a lapel microphone or headset microphone. Each of these microphone types can be optimized to reproduce high quality voice playback.